creeping. So we just arrived at a Confucius temple. We're gonna go explore, check it out, see what it's like. It looks pretty cool from out here so far, but never been to Confucius temple. This would be very interesting to see what it's like. Alright, so this Confucius temple, they started working on it in 72 and it wasn't finished till 74. A couple people switched hands on working on the project, but they finally got it finished, and this is just a beautiful place. Just all the intricate work here is really cool. But I haven't yet gone inside, so can't wait to go inside. Let's see that. Cool temple. It's pretty interesting. It's like a park on the outside too, like a garden area, but people use it for like a park common area. Behind me there's this gate thing, these archways, and also on the road there's archway there and an archway there. And I'm not sure exactly why they have it, and they also have a building right across the road, but that's pretty cool. I think now we're on to our next destination, which is the Big Buddha. Taichung's Big Buddha. So this will be my third or fourth Big Buddha, but I got a glimpse of it earlier, and it's different than any other one I've seen so far, so that's good. Just started walking up to the Big Buddha and realized he's creeping. Look, he's creeping. Big Buddha's gonna creep. I always find it interesting the different ways Buddha's depicted, especially when it comes to this Buddha, the Big Buddha or Happy Buddha, Fat Buddha if you will. Yeah, I always find it interesting just the different ways they symbolize different things. Earlobes, I come to find that used to be a symbol of wealth and nobility, because you wore heavy, thick jewelry with normally gold. That would make your earlobe stretch just because the weight of that. And the symbol of being fat or big used to be a symbol of wealth as well, and prosperity, because you had enough resources, you had enough money to sustain yourself and even go past sustaining yourself. So I always wonder, especially in the West, we see happy, fat, or big Buddha as just kind of a symbol thing. And that's what we think Buddha is, but Buddha has been depicted so many different ways that it's just fascinating to see what people think of and what they depict him as. I think Big Buddha's belly button is a window. So yeah, Big Buddha's belly button is a window. Interesting. I do really enjoy koi ponds. I think they're very calming, and just watching the fish, all the different colors, all the different patterns they could have, it's really beautiful, and I enjoy a good koi pond. This is kind of cool behind me. Like if you look behind me, it's like a giant like arching structure over a smaller structure. Probably, I have no idea. I honestly know nothing about this place. I need to look up stuff. It's kind of cool how they built this giant concrete structure over this wooden and brick structure. exactly sure what, like if this is Buddhist, if this is Taoist. I'm not 100% sure, but it's really beautiful here. And yeah, there's a nice rock. If anyone knows, please let me know, because I would love to know what this place actually is. If it is Buddhist or what have you, I would like to know. So please let me know. I think we've seen everything we can here. I'm not really sure. I think we might be going to dinner in a little while, but it's a cool place. I don't know much about it. I wish I knew more, but I don't. So I think we're gonna head back now and then later go out to dinner. And I'm not exactly sure where we're going to dinner at. I think up in the mountains. But yeah, it's gonna be cool. I'm excited. So see you guys when we head towards dinner. Alright, bye. And we're here, about to get some food. I'm not really sure what we're eating, but we are here having food, so. My phone does not do it justice, but it looks really, really sweet. Alright, so I'm going to call it here. Thank you guys for watching. It's been a great day. See you next time.